Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best micro SD cards that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're upgrading your phone's storage, capturing high-resolution videos, or enhancing your gaming experience, we've got the perfect options for every need and budget. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the PNY 32GB Elite Class 10 U1 Micro SDHC Flash Memory Card. This card offers reliable performance with a read speed of up to 100 megabytes per second, allowing for smooth HD video recording and photography. It's ideal for everyday use, whether you're recording footage on a drone or snapping pictures on a smartphone. Its Class 10 U1 rating ensures it can handle continuous Full HD video recording without performance hiccups. The design is simple yet robust, featuring a durable build that includes shockproof, waterproof, and temperature-proof protections. The included SD adapter makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, from DSLR cameras to laptops. However, at just 32 gigabytes, its storage capacity feels somewhat limited compared to other options on this list, making it better suited for users who don't require extensive storage space. Overall, the PNY 32GB Elite is a solid choice for those seeking affordability and reliability for basic tasks. It performs well for HD video recording and file transfers, but if you're looking for higher storage or faster write speeds, you might want to explore the higher-ranked options. Pros: affordable, durable, and reliable for everyday use. Cons: limited storage capacity and slower write speeds compared to competitors. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Micro SDXC Memory Card, which is the most budget-friendly option on today's list. Priced at just $11.06, this card delivers excellent value with 128 gigabytes of storage capacity, making it a great choice for those who need more space without breaking the bank. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, cameras, and even gaming consoles like the Nintendo Switch. The included SD adapter adds even more versatility. In terms of performance, the card offers read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 60 megabytes per second, which are decent for basic tasks like storing photos, full HD videos, and apps. It also boasts impressive durability features, including shockproof, waterproof, and temperature-proof protections. However, it lacks the high-speed capabilities needed for 4K or 5K video recording, and the write speeds might feel limiting for professional creators. Overall, the Amazon Basics Micro SDXC card is a fantastic entry-level option for casual users who don't need top-tier performance. It's perfect for expanding smartphone storage, backing up files, or recording full HD videos. Pros: unbeatable price, robust durability, and wide compatibility. Cons: limited write speeds and not ideal for advanced video recording or professional workloads. Taking the number 3 spot is the PNY Premiere X 128GB Micro SDXC card, which comes as a 2-pack for $18.99. This card is designed for users who need reliable storage for demanding tasks like 4K UHD video recording or burst mode photography. With a Class 10 U3 V30 rating, it offers read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, making it a great option for photographers, videographers, and drone enthusiasts. The design is rugged and durable, featuring magnet-proof, shock-proof, temperature-proof, and waterproof protections to ensure your data stays safe even in challenging environments. Additionally, its A1 app performance rating means it's optimized for running apps directly from the card, providing faster app launch times and enhanced in-app performance. The PNY Premiere X is perfect for users who need reliable storage for high-resolution video and photography, but don't want to spend a premium. The 2-pack format adds extra value, making it an excellent choice for users with multiple devices. Pros: high-speed performance, durable build, and great value for the price. Cons: limited to 128 gigabytes per card, which might not be enough for users with extensive storage needs. Coming in at number 2 is the SanDisk 256GB Ultra Micro SDXC UHS-I memory card, priced at $19.99. This card offers a generous 256 gigabytes of storage and read speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second, making it ideal for users who want fast and reliable storage for full HD video recording, app performance, and file transfers. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Android smartphones, tablets, Chromebooks, and Windows laptops. The build quality is excellent, with protections against water, temperature, X-rays, shocks, and magnets. Its A1 rating ensures faster app loading and smoother performance, making it a great option for mobile users who want to expand their device's capabilities. The included SanDisk Memory Zone app adds convenience by allowing users to organize and back up their files easily. Overall, the SanDisk Ultra is an exceptional choice for everyday users who need a balance of speed, storage, and reliability. It's perfect for expanding storage on mobile devices or recording full HD videos. Pros: excellent speed and storage capacity, durable build, and added app functionality. Cons: not optimized for 4K or 5K video recording, making it less suitable for professional video creators. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the SanDisk 256GB Extreme Micro SDXC UHS-I memory card. Priced at $25.99, this card is the premium option on the list and delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks like 4K and 5K video recording. With read speeds of up to 190 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 130 megabytes per second. It's perfect for professional creators who need fast and reliable storage for high-resolution video and photography. The build quality is top-notch, featuring water, temperature, shock, and X-ray proof protections to keep your data safe in extreme conditions. Its A2 rating ensures faster app launch times and smoother performance, making it a great choice for mobile users as well. The card also supports SanDisk QuickFlow technology for even faster transfers. Now you'll need compatible hardware to achieve those speeds. The SanDisk Extreme is the ultimate choice for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the best performance and reliability. Whether you're recording high-quality content or running apps directly from the card, this option has you covered. Pros: exceptional speed, robust durability, and optimized for 4K, 5K video recording. Cons: the higher price may be a deterrent for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.